Do candlestick charts really work in the stock market? Good day, dear traders, investors, and all the desperate souls who bought crypto because their brother said, now's the right time. Today, we're going to discuss whether candlestick charts actually work or if they're just another trap for lost souls who dream of becoming the next Warren Buffett, even though they can't calculate what 20% off a pair of jeans really means. First of all, candlestick charts. What a beautiful term. When you hear it for the first time, you feel like you're about to experience something spiritual. Maybe a yoga session with candles and meditation. But no, these are stock market candles, and they're supposed to tell you whether buying that stock is a good idea or if it's going to do the same thing your phone contract does. Go up and down until you get dizzy. Now, take a look at that chart. What do you see? Green and red candles. Optimists will say, of course. Green is growth, red is a drop, but pessimists? They see something completely different, proof that the stock market is just a casino where the dealer always wins. And what do I see? A Christmas tree. Except without any presents. Because the only gift you'll get here is your account balance dropping to zero. Now let's ask the big question. What do those candles actually mean? They mean someone, somewhere, bought or sold something. Amazing. It's almost as if the whole world runs on profound logic. Try explaining this to your grandma. Grandma, I'm watching these candles to see if they're long or short, so I know whether I'll make money or lose it. Your grandma looks at you, and then she asks, shouldn't you be mowing the lawn instead? Of course, there are people who swear by this. Technical analysis is science. Except, when you look closely, it's more like art, like playing stock market Picasso. Some people draw trend lines, others use Fibonacci spirals, and others hunt for patterns like head and shoulders, or cup and handle. And you're sitting there thinking, didn't they tell me in school that only people who failed math look for patterns like this? And now, please, a round of applause for the candles. Do they work? Yes, but only until they don't. And you know why? Because the stock market is chaos. It's not a machine that runs on instructions. It's a bunch of people with emotions. And as soon as fear, greed, or Elon Musk's Twitter account gets involved, you can throw your candles out the window. So, dear friends, if you want to know whether candlestick charts work, the answer is simple, yes. But only if you know what you're doing. And if you don't know what you're doing, at least buy yourself a scented candle. At least that'll make your living room smell nice while you cry over your losses. Thank you for your attention, and I wish you happy trading. And if it doesn't work out, at least you'll have a pretty chart to show off on Instagram.